Today is December 1st, 2011. One of Blue Chip's box vans was headed north on Legacy Highway, about 750. The winds were really bad, worst they've been ever, 100 miles an hour, up to 80 gusts. It pulled off exit 7, Parrish Lane, and stopped. Just as Craig stopped, the wind came up and blew the truck over. And now we are here with the tow truck drivers trying to flip the truck over. It is 1:35 in the afternoon. You can see them. They're pulling it right there. Oh, their chain just snapped. Not good. Back end is starting to pull. There goes the back end of the truck. It's being lifted. Truck is almost there and it's gonna go. There it goes. Big rumble just came out of the truck. They flipped it upright. And we are back on wheels.